Hello everyone. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Welcome to my channel Time Madrasah. In today's video, we are gonna learn how to say good morning, good afternoon, good evening and good night in Arabic language. So let's begin. First, good morning. The Arabic phrase for good morning is Sabahul Khair. Sabahul Khair. Sabahul Khair. Let's break it down. Sabah means morning and Al Khair means goodness or well-being. Even though Al Khair literally means goodness or well-being in this context, it functions as good when paired with morning. So Sabahul Khair means good morning. Now the response is Sabahun Nur. Sabahun Nur. Sabahun Nur. Sabah mean morning and An-Nur mean light. So Sabahun Nur, morning of light. And it is used as good morning meaning. But what is response means here? That is, if you greet someone in the morning by saying Sabahul Khair, they will reply with Sabahun Nur. Then, good afternoon. Before starting this, you have to know an important thing. In Arabic, there is no separate phrase for good afternoon and good evening. Instead, one expression is used for both, which is Masa'ul Khair. Masa'ul Khair. Masa'ul Khair. So good afternoon and good evening in Arabic, Masa'ul Khair. Now let's see the meaning. Masa means afternoon and evening. Al Khair, goodness or well-being. And together, Masa'ul Khair, good afternoon, good evening. And the reply to this greeting is Masa'un Nur. Masa'un Nur. And the last one is good night, which in Arabic is Tusbih alal khair. Tusbih alal khair. Tusbih alal khair. Let's see the word by word meaning. Tusbih means you wake up, and ala means upon. Al khair, goodness or well-being. So the combined meaning is may you wake up to goodness or may you wake up in well-being. Also, there are some alternative ways to say good night, and those are Laylatun Sa'idatun. Laylatun Sa'idatun. Then the second one is Tabat Laylatuk. Tabat Laylatuk. If you want, you can use this as replay of Tusbih alal Khair. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Your support means a lot to me. So bye for today. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.